exhaust fans. Making sure they work. Other than all of that. There's one back there. I mean, I don't have to check it because I could feel it, but I can see it moving from far. So at least we know that's working. You know what I mean? This is a new building that I'm taking over, so I didn't know. I wasn't too sure how to turn on the fans because the previous person didn't assist me, so I'm finding out for myself. I turned, some buttons on and shit, and so now I'm here. See, you can feel it. I can see it moving from far. So yeah, now I'm just enjoying the view. As you can see, just enjoying the view. Just enjoying the view, people. That's Con Edison right there. We in Queens right now. We in Queens. Alright. If I'm not mistaken, the school that Nas grew up in, the school that Nas went to, is real close by to him. If I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me on that though. Yeah. Be safe, man. Yeah. Like I said, I'm at work. See the t-shirt. Making sure shit working up there. Be good. Yeah. I'll see y'all. I'll be dropping some more videos for boilers and stuff like that. Again, I'm a beginner. I don't know too much, but the things that I do know, And if you got any tips, if you know a little more than me, let me know in the comments. Whatever you feel. Or correct me on something and let me know, nah, that's not the right way, or this is, And stay tuned for more of that Gift by God content, that clothing line merch. We're entering the winter time, so that means we're gonna switch up and I'm gonna stack up and we're gonna get to that, alright? So stay tuned. Have a good day. Go get your coffee, get your breakfast in. You know what I'm saying? Stay blessed. Thank God that at least we could wake up and be able to do this. You know what I mean? So, yes sir.